Welcome to this video on how to use the Greater Manchester Care Record via HIVE during and after pregnancy. This video demonstrates the benefits of using the GMCR for clinicians caring for pregnant women, including the ability to view test results, GP consultations, past medical history, allergies, and other key clinical information to support safe and informed care. The GMCR is an audited system, and if a patient wishes to opt out, they should be directed to contact their GP practice. Let's get started. First, open the patient record in HIVE. Next, click on the GMCR tab to view their shared care information. When you first log in, complete the role profile screen by entering your details. Type the first 3 letters of your role and pick it from the drop-down. If your role isn't listed, select the closest match. This screen will only appear on your first login. The patient summary page will open, with any clinical safety information, warnings, or updates displayed at the top of the screen. All information is labeled with how frequently it's updated, either in real time or overnight. To access GP information, such as the GP problem list, repeat medications, or recent GP attendances, you can do this from the summary page. Use the GP real-time information for the most up-to-date data. If real-time information isn't available, refer to the overnight GP information. GP real-time information displays GP encounters, medications, vaccinations, allergies, and problems. You can view each section by selecting its heading from the right-hand panel. To view secondary care, results, social care, or mental health information, select the relevant section from the navigation panel. In the results section, you can access GP results, secondary care pathology, radiology, and PACS viewer from across GM. Results display the test location and outcome. Not all tests are reviewed by clinicians, and patients may not yet be aware of them. Secondary care activity is available for all hospitals across GM. You can view A&E admissions, outpatient appointments, and inpatient activity. For patients known to social care, you can view open cases, referrals, care providers, and safeguarding concerns. If a patient is known to mental health services, view their referrals, diagnoses, and contacts, both open and closed. Use the navigation panel to access secondary care letters and discharge summaries under clinical correspondence. Select a document from the list to view it as a PDF. The patient timeline shows the patient's healthcare journey over the past 2 years, including their history and important events. That's it for this overview. You now know how to use GMCR to access patient information and review key care details. Thank you for supporting better, safer care across GM. If you require help or support, please contact the GMCR product team.